Okay, this is an 8-track player. I got this from a 1979 Toyota pickup, and this is an original Toyota part. As you can see, I have it all apart right now. There's the face and cover and all of that, because it had a few things about it that weren't working, so I did some restoration work on it. The belt on it was toast. Has a new belt. Also, the mechanism for switching the tracks between the 4 tracks that this has, that mechanism was just full of crud and dust and all that, so I had cleaned it up and lubricated it with some dry silicone lubricant, so it works great. I'm going to show it. Let's see, where did I put my 8-track? And my one 8-track tape, which I had to actually fix the tape as well because it hadn't been played in who knows how long, and so I needed to redo the tension of the tape itself. Anyway, the tape is going to go with this thing because I don't have any other 8-track players. So, even though I believe this was a dealership installed option, not a factory installed option. But anyway, volume, works fine. And this is fade. So right now I only have one speaker hooked up because that's how it was in the truck. And this is tone. And then switching tracks. Nice. Anyway, so this works really well. I've run this tape through it for about 2 hours, and it switches tracks when it gets to the or switches directions when it gets to the end of the tape. That all works just fine. This was originally wired for mono output, just single speaker output, because that's all that was in the 79 or the original Toyota pickups. So that's why I only have one speaker on it. But it does have wires or an output. This is a stereo unit, but the wires that Toyota had on it, this one, yeah, is just was just one for one wire. But it does have a stereo output available. That's it. This thing works great.